chai in the afternoon, green tea in between them, stirring the honey with a spoon. Drop all the bombs you like, as long as I have my tea. I'll be a happy silhouette with my kettle next to me. I'll never need another pill. I will be forever young, never get the flu again. I'll always be newly in love. Earl Grey every morning to detoxify my blood. Chai tea in the afternoon in my favorite mug. Drop all the bombs you like, as long as I have my tea. I'll be a happy silhouette with my kettle next to me. Drop all the bombs you like, as long as I have my tea. I'll be a happy silhouette with my kettle next to me. For 15 minutes with my tea in hand, I will be a better man. Drop all the bombs you like, as long as I have my tea. I'll be a happy silhouette with my kettle next to me. Drop all the bombs you like, as long as I have my tea. I'll be a happy silhouette with my kettle next to me. It's not your smile, it's not your eyes, it's not your slender fingers or the sway in your thighs, not your sun-kissed shoulders or the bounce in your hair. When you flip it, that makes me want to stare. When we get home and you kick off your shoes, put your feet in my lap like you always do. Before let the tap flow. What happened next? I really don't know. I didn't want to take advantage, but I could not say no. In the morning, feels good to wake up next to you. Gut feeling, gut feeling, gut feeling, don't you pass on through. What comes next is far from clear. Would you rather juice and better a cold beer? Either way, the hangover will disappear. I've got sunglasses for you to wear out here. In the morning, feels good to wake up next to you. Gut feeling, gut feeling, gut feeling, don't you pass on through. Wake up slow, the room's a little brighter next to you. You gotta know, I've always had a thing for you. It's not weird when you walk out the door. We could meet up tonight like we did before. I'm in disbelief. You came home.